Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bullx on Bullx. First, let's understand what Bullx is and how it integrates with your trading platform. This powerful tool automates your trading strategies, allowing you to execute trades based on your specific parameters. To begin, you'll need to securely connect your Bullx account. Make sure your API keys are correctly configured. This is a crucial first step for seamless and secure operation. Now, let's dive into Bullx's core features. This bot supports various order types, such as limit and market orders, giving you flexibility. You can easily customize your preferred trading pairs and specify investment amounts. Crucially, its robust risk management tools enable you to set precise stop-loss and take-profit levels, protecting your capital. Plus, you get real-time performance tracking and analytics to monitor your strategies effectively. To truly optimize your trading, consider implementing advanced strategies like dollar-cost averaging or grid trading. Always backtest your configurations using historical data. This provides invaluable insights before deploying real capital. Remember to adjust your parameters based on current market volatility and emerging trends. Furthermore, leverage the bot's notification system to stay informed about critical market events, ensuring you never miss an important move. Finally, let's cover some essential best practices for using Bullx. Regularly review your bot's performance and be prepared to adjust settings as market conditions evolve. It is wise to start with small investment amounts when testing new strategies. Always stay informed about broader market conditions and any Bullx platform updates. Most importantly, consistently prioritize robust security measures for your Bullx account to safeguard your assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.